Hello everyone, today we're going to be talking about the 4.3 third angle theorem. This theorem states that if two angles in one triangle are congruent to two angles in the other triangle, then that third angle must be the same size and congruent as well. So, as you can see here, we have an example, triangle ACB and triangle KJL. It's telling us that already C is congruent to K, and the measure is 50, and B is congruent to J, and the measure is 70. So how might we prove this theorem? Well, we know that a triangle has to equal 180, right? So we can say 180 equals this angle plus that angle plus this missing angle, we'll call it x, okay? And so we add these two together, we get 180 equals 120 plus x, giving us x to equal 60 degrees. So that's great. Now let's say L is y. Well, we just kind of went through the same steps right here, right? So what's stopping us from doing the same thing for this triangle? So we can do 180 equals 50 plus 70 plus y, and as we already know, this gives us 120 plus y equals 60 degrees. So that's how we can show that this theorem is true, because we have two angles, we know it has to equal 180, there's only one option for the third angle. Okay, now let's talk about some 4.4 properties of triangle congruence. So the first one that you need to know is reflexive property. Reflexive property states that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABC. Makes sense, right? The triangle is congruent to itself. The second property that you need to know is called the symmetric property. This property states that if triangle ABC is congruent to triangle EFG, then you can say triangle EFG is congruent to ABC. Also makes sense. If we're saying that these two triangles are congruent, we can flip-flop these things and say that this one's congruent to that one, and that one is congruent to that one. The last property that you need to know, the third one, is the transitive property. So this one is going to be including all three triangles. So this says if ABC is congruent to EFG and EFG is congruent to JKL, then we can say that ABC is congruent to JKL. Also kind of makes sense, right? Because if we are saying that these two triangles are congruent and this one's congruent to that one, then we know these are the same, these are the same. So we can say these two are the same as well. So these are the only three properties for triangle congruence for this chapter that you need to know.